Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Fatima. Good afternoon, Shovik, Zahia, Hamza Iqbal. Shovik, how are you? Meeting after I didn't get you meeting after a long time, Shovik.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Yes, beta. Okay. So, till your other friends are joining, quickly take out your science notebook, everybody.
Ma'am, we don't get drawing time today. We don't get scribbling time.
Okay, as soon as you finish of the class, you will get the scribbling time. Okay, every time I give you scribbling time before starting of the class, but today after the class you will get the scribbling time. Okay, Zahia. After the class, Abdul, I'll finish the class a little bit early and then you can scribble. Okay. Good afternoon, Rizan. Good afternoon, Abdul. Put
Good
on your video,
afternoon, ma'am.
everybody.
Ma'am.
Quickly take out your science notebook, everybody.
I'm ready to cut my hand, but we are going to write.
Very good. Okay. So, once you are ready with your science notebook, if you have any two similar type of toys, like if you have any two balls, get it. If you have any two cars, you can get it. Two similar type of toys. Two similar type of toys. Either two balls. Or... Yes, Fatima?
Is it the same color?
No. Not same color, beta. Only
I love
two
my
same type
rhinos.
of toys.
Okay. But what?
Any two similar kind of, either if you are very good, Sanaya, if you're having the same type of car, please bring it. Any two same type of toy, not the soft toy, beta. Or okay, even if soft toys will do, no problem.
I have other toys also instead of.
Okay, get any two similar type of toys, everybody.
I don't have.
Any two similar kind of toys, Taha?
I don't have because I have in my village.
Okay. Very good. See, Fatima got it. Very good. Okay. So if you're not having, if you have any two pencils also, it will do. Any two pencil.
I having a two pencils.
Okay. Two pencil or any,
This ma'am. I
okay.
checked everywhere. I could not find. I can
Or
only
even
find
if you're
only
having,
dinosaur.
even if you're not having any toys and anything like that at home, no problem. If you,
Ma'am, I have two pencils.
very good, Taha. Very good, Taha. It will do. It will do. Okay. If you're having any two glasses, bring any two glasses. If you're not having anything at home, any type of toys at home, bring two glass. That will also do. Steel glass. Any two steel glass.
Okay, Yusuf.
Excellent, Yusuf. Any two glass also will do.
This
No,
and
not that. Two glass. Not that. Not that. Two glass.
Ma'am.
Yes, Hamza Iqbal. Tell me, beta. Yes, good, Hamza Iqbal. Yes, Taha. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Very good, Sanaya.
I bring two pencils.
Good. Abdul and Fatima is ready. I saw it. What about Abdul and Rizan? Quickly show me any two similar type of things. Very good, Abdul. What about Shovik?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shovik. Very good, Shovik. Another toy, beta. Good, Shovik. Okay. Now let me also bring any two toy for all of you so that I can show you. Okay. So I have these. Okay, so I have only these two types of, see, these two types of, I think it is a wooden toy. It's a wooden toy. So it is two similar type of wooden toy that I am having in my hand right now. So now listen to me, what you all do and just see. First, let me tell you what we are going to do. Okay, everybody. First, listen to me carefully so that you can just analyze what we are going to do. I am going to explain you all that force. When you are putting force on anything, it can change speed and direction. When you are putting force on anything, it can change speed and direction of the object. Okay. So suppose if I am having, look here, everybody on the screen now, after I will do, after me, you will do. Okay. So first see what I am doing. So see, I have two wooden toys at my hand right now. Okay. If I am bringing these two toys with a great speed and hitting each other, okay, suppose I'm hitting each other, then what is happening?
it break.
Yes, it breaks. Also, it moves in another direction. Its direction changes. Yes, yes. If you just bring and hit these two together, then it is moving on the other side. Now, what it is showing that when you are putting force on any two objects, then its direction changes and the speed also slows down. Yes, Taha, tell me.
Can we play games?
Yes, beta. Yes, just a moment. Okay, so first listen to me what I am telling and then we will start the game. Okay, so I am telling, when suppose here is one rock and here is one rock. When I am bringing these two rocks towards each other and hitting them, Okay, when I am breaking these two rocks together and hitting them, then what happens? Zahia, please do not scribble, beta. Try to understand. Okay. When I'm bringing these two rocks and hitting each other, then what happens? Its speed also goes slow, right? How many of you are having cycle at home? Cycle at home.
My cycle is not home. My cycle is in the parking.
Okay, so whenever you do cycle, yes, Abdul, unmute Abdul. Okay, unmute. Abdul, you are already on unmute. Tell me, beta.
I have two cycles. Cycle है तो मेरे
Yeah. Okay. So suppose when you are cycling with a very great speed, okay, you're moving with a very faster speed, and suddenly when you see a doggy comes in front of you, then what will you do? Fatima, Sanaya,
Brake.
Fatima, Sanaya, very good, Abdul. Yes, Fatima Ansari, Fatima Sanaya, unmute and tell me what will you do in that case?
We get slow and then we brake. We gonna get
Excellent.
slow.
Very good.
Ma'am, I don't
Very good.
experience of
Very good. Very good. So how do you slow down?
we gonna
With
go
brake.
slow with brake.
Yes.
slow
Excellent. You all only gave me the answer. You put brake and then your speed of the cycle slows down. So what does brake do? Brake changes the speed of your cycle. Yes, Rizan. Unmute and tell me. Beta.
I am not your screen.
Okay, you're not able to see the screen. Okay, no problem. Can you see me? Because I'm not sharing the screen right now.
Yes,
Okay, beta. Okay, so I'm explaining once again. Suppose Rizan, Taha, and Yusuf Chaudhary, they are in a cycle race. Okay, they are just riding the cycle, and they are going with a very great speed. Yes, Rizan, Yusuf, Taha, and suppose Nabil also joins. You, all four of you are going with a great speed. Okay, who's going to be winner of the day? And suddenly, in the middle of your road, a small baby cat comes. So what will you do?
Gonna not run. I gonna not run.
Yes,
Because
you
I
will
love
have
cats.
to slow down your cycle, no? You will have to slow down the speed of your cycle. For slowing down the speed of your cycle, what will you do, Yusuf?
I love cats. I love cats. That's why I gonna not stop.
Very good,
I wanna
Sanaya.
stop.
Okay, good, beta. So, Rizan, for slowing down the speed of cycle, what will you do, beta?
The brake. Very tight.
Excellent,
brake.
my boys. You will have to slow down the speed of your cycle by putting the brake. So what does the brake do? Rizan, do not lay down on the bed, beta. So what does brake? Yes, Hamza Iqbal.
This accident I have many times. My home has some humans in walking. Side of humans and cats.
Okay, very good, Hamza. So now okay, just listen to me once and then quickly we will write something. So what does brake do? Brake use friction. Because what does friction happen? When friction happens, when you rub any two surface, the wheel of your cycle and surface is running and it is creating friction. So what does brake do? Brake uses that friction because friction creates grip. If you remember in the last class we studied that friction creates grip. So brake uses friction to stop moving the cycle quickly. Did you understand what does brake do? Brake uses friction because friction gives grip to anything, right? So brake uses that friction to give a break to the cycle. Okay, now just show me the two toys that you are having in your hand right now. Lift up your two toys and show me once, everybody. Rizan, Zahia, Taha, very good. Sanaya, Fatima, Bushra, Shovik, Abdul, Yusuf, Hamza, Taha. Show me the two objects that I told you to bring right now. Very good. Now what you do is, those who are having car, okay, you just bring two cars in the same direction towards each other and hit the two cars, and then see what happens when the two cars are coming together. Yusuf, you're having two glasses, so you move the two glasses with a great speed and then hit the two glasses, see what happens. Same with Hamza, Iqbal, those who are having ball, bring the two balls towards each other, hit the ball, and then see what happens. Zaya, you're having two toys, hit the two toys and see what happens. Are the toys coming towards each other, or they are going back? They are just moving back. Come on, try it. Sanaya, Fatima, Rizan, Zaya, hit, bring the two toys towards itself with a great speed, speedily, hit it, and then see what happens. Come on, Zaya, come on, Taha. Hit it. Yes, Taha, unmute and tell me what is happening.
Nancy,
Yes. Why did you break it? Do not break it, beta. Yes. So what happened? Direction of the pencil changed. Listen. Yes, direction changed. No, the direction of your pencil changed. No, it went to see which direction. Right, Taha? Hamza, Iqbal, tell me, what did you feel when you hit the two objects?
Ma'am, you can see the ground.
Yes, beta, come on. Bring the two balls speedily.
मेरी पेंसिल है, तेरी पेंसिल
Yes. Very good, Zahia. Come on, hit the two toys. Come on, Sanaya. Yes. So when you are hitting the two objects towards each other, when you're hitting the two objects towards each other, its direction changes. Its speed also slows down. Did you notice it, Hamza, Iqbal? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanaya.
It stops.
Yes, Sanaya. Yes, Sanaya. Yes, its direction changed, no? From here, it went down suddenly, right? So, force changes the speed and direction of the object. Now, quickly take out your science notebook, everybody. Let's write something. Yes, Zahia, unmute beta. Tell me.
This is the battle against two dinosaurs.
Yes. So now hit the two toys. Very good, Zahia. Now, let me talk something to Rizan unmute, Bushra unmute, and tell me, what did you feel when you hit the two objects?
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice one.
Very good. So when you hit the two objects, did you feel that its direction and speed changed? Fatima Ansari, unmute and tell me. Very good, Bushra.
Yes.
Did you feel anything, Fatima, that force, when you're putting two objects, bringing two objects forcefully towards each other, then its direction and speed is changing?
Yeah.
Excellent. So now everybody take out your notebook. The last where we were writing about friction. Just below that, write. Just below that, where we were writing in a last class, just below that.
Ma'am, I am done writing the date already.
When two when two objects hit each other. Yes, Yusuf unmute, Shavik unmute. Tell me, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. I have a query.
Yes. Shavik, tell me, Shavik, are you writing, beta?
Ma'am, can I please say something? I have a query.
Yeah, sure. Why not, Zaya?
Ma'am, is friction also a force?
Yes, Zaya, come again, beta.
Is friction also a force?
Beta, your voice is coming a little bit low. Can you please repeat once again?
Is friction a force?
Yes, definitely. Friction creates grip, beta. Friction is not a force. Friction happens when two things rub together. Friction helps to stop things from creating any speed and all. Yes, tell me, Taha, unmute.
Ma'am, I done.
Right, beta, please write it down on your notebook,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody. Please write this down on your notebook. When two objects hit each other, then it changes the speed and direction of the object.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, please, Taha, read it out.
When two moving objects hit each other, it changes the speed and direction of the object.
Very good. Like whenever you play cricket, you hit the ball. Yes, you hit the ball and you hit the ball very forcefully with the bat, and the speed and direction of the ball changes. It goes for the 6 and the 4, right? Are you all understanding? Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me, did you understand?
Ma'am, you are mute.
Yes, beta. I muted myself. I'm so sorry.
Sometimes mistakes happens from teachers, moms, everyone.
Yes, even teachers can make mistakes, Zahia. Okay. Quickly write down everybody. Let me see. And everybody, please put on your videos. Zaya, Hamza, Iqbal. Shavik, unmute and tell me, are you writing? Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fatima, unmute and tell me, beta. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, Bushra, unmute and tell me, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write it down. Yusuf, unmute and tell me, did you understand? When two moving objects hit each other, it changes the speed and direction of the object. Abdul, unmute and tell me, and please put on your video, everybody. Again, Abdul, your video is completely off, beta. Abdul, Yusuf, your videos are completely off throughout the class. Rizan, your video is also off. Hamza, Iqbal, Zahia, please put on the video, beta. There's no use of attending the class, beta, when you're putting off your video. Yes,
My video is on only.
but I cannot see you, Zahia.
My video is on.
Okay, but
So,
I cannot see you,
I
beta.
camera.
Good, Hamza
Yeah.
Iqbal. Hamza Iqbal understood. Very good. What? Yes, Yusuf also. Okay, write it down. Shave, what about Abdul? And Abdul, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand, Abdul? When two
Yes, ma'am.
objects hit each other, what happens to the speed and direction?
They will get slow.
Yes, speed gets slow and direction also changes. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Okay, write it down. So suppose when you are playing cricket from the next time, do notice like while playing, I'm sorry, cricket, like while playing cricket, when you hit the ball, when you hit the ball, oops, like football also. If you have noticed the footballers, when they kick the ball, what do? They kick the ball very forcefully and the speed and the direction of the ball changes and they make goal. Okay, so I'm sorry, friction is a force. I mistakenly told you, Zahia, that friction is not a force, but I'm sorry, friction is a force because it creates grip only. I'm sorry, friction is a force. Yes, Sanaya, coming to you. Unmute, Sanaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanaya, do you want to ask anything?
No.
Okay, quickly complete the writing part, everybody. Just lift up your notebook and show me one. Zaya, are you writing?
Nancy. Ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry. The faster you complete, the faster you can leave the class. Very good. Rizan is writing. Yusuf, show me your notebook, dear ones. Yusuf, show me your notebook, please. Yes, Rizan, just a moment. Unmute, Rizan.
I am leave.
Okay, show me your notebook first.
See, ma'am.
Very good, Fatima Ansari did it. Rizan completed.
Ma'am,
Very good.
see.
So both of you can leave the class. No problem.
Ma'am, I'm leave.
Yes, Rizan. Let me see what others are doing. Okay, Zahia, unmute and tell me, have you completed or are you still writing, beta?
Ma'am, I complete.
Show me your notebook once. Okay, you can also leave the class. Good. Yes, Taha, unmute.
Ma'am, I done.
Show me your notebook, beta. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Taha.
मैम ने कब से चैट भेजा था मैम से
Yes, Taha.
बाय मैम
Okay, beta. Bye-bye. Sanaya writing. Shavik Bushra. Okay, Yusuf completed. Good, Yusuf. Okay, Yusuf. You can also leave the class, beta. Hamza Iqbal, unmute and show me your notebook, beta.
मैम आई एम राइटिंग
Okay, write it down. Take your time. No problem. Yes, Bushra, unmute beta. Good Shovik. Good boy. Show me a notebook.
1 minute, ma'am.
Shovik, do you want to say anything?
कोई जरूरत नहीं है, घर में कोई भी नहीं है।
Okay, Bushra.
मेरे को भी आ जाता है।
नहीं
Good, Bushra. Okay, very good. Hamza also did. Bushra did. Shovik did. Very good.
Ma'am,
You
Bushra,
can
can I leave?
Yes, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now,
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Sanaya
Ma'am.
left.
Take
Abdul
care.
left.
Love you. Bye.
Abdul, put on your video. Show me your notebook, beta. Show me your notebook, Abdul. Have you completed writing, Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me once. Okay, Abdul, you wrote it. Okay, Abdul and Bushra, you can leave the class, beta, if you want. Yes, Sanaya, beta. How far have you written, beta? Done.
No, last line.
Write it, write it, write it. No problem. Take your time, complete it.
I'm done, ma'am.
Very good, Sanaya. Good girl. Okay, Sanaya, beta. So, I'm stopping to share and we will meet in the next class. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, Sanaya. Take care.
Have a nice day. Take care.
Same to you, beta.